Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. Sometimes when you try to launch Microsoft Launcher on your PC, instead of opening it, shows error message that reads Microsoft Launcher is currently not available in your account. Make sure you are signed into the store and try again with error code 0x803f8001. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix this issue. But before we move forward, if you find this video useful in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel as this encourages me in creating more similar videos. First of all, you need to make sure that time is correct on your device. Head over to date and time settings and check set time automatically is on and time zone is correct. If it's wrong, make changes according to your region. At last, click on the sync now button to sync the time on your PC. Next, launch Microsoft Store app on your PC. Then click on the profile picture icon available on the upper right corner and click sign out. After that, search Microsoft Store, and when it appears in the search results, right click and select app settings. On this page, scroll down to reset section and then click on the reset button. This will reset the Microsoft Store app. After that, close everything and restart your PC. After restart, launch Microsoft Store again and log in using your Microsoft account credentials. Next, search Minecraft on Microsoft Store. Download and install it again, and this should fix the issue. Why don't you try this solution and let me know in the comments if this worked for you or not. Apart from this, if you are aware of any other solution that helps in fixing the issue, then feel free to share in the comments. So that's all about this video. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.